motility or hanging drop technique presented by Dr. Kamthane DC, Head Department of Microbiology, SGB College, Purna. Aim to perform motility test of the bacteria by hanging drop preparation and to find out whether the bacteria are motile or non-motile. Principle: a drop of bacterial suspension is hanging in the cavity of the slide. If bacteria are motile, they can move. If bacteria are non-motile, they remain static or show the Brownian movement. This movement is due to the bombardment by the nearby water molecules on the bacterial cells. In wet mount, the shape and size of the bacteria can be observed, but the motility may be hampered. That is why the hanging drop preparations are prepared and the motility test, this is SIT. In hanging drop technique, this is used for observation of the bacteria in their living state and unstained state. The examples of the motile bacteria are as Salmonella typhi, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, E. coli and Vibrio cholerae. Requirements: cavity slide, cover slip, active culture of bacteria, compound microscope, grease or Vaseline and the nichrome wire loop. Procedure: take a clean grease free slide and a clean grease free cover slip. This slide, this is having the cavity. These cavities may be 1 or 2 and these are the cavity slides. These cavities are concave and put or apply the Vaseline or the grease at the edge of this cavity. Then take a drop of bacterial suspension on the cover slip with the help of a nichrome wire loop. Put the cavity of the slide over this drop of bacterial suspension in such a way that the drop is in the hanging position. Then reverse the slide and focus the edge of the drop of the slide with the help of this 10x objective lens of the microscope. Then switch on the 45x, that is the high power objective lens of the microscope. Then observe the motility of this bacteria. With the help of 10x objective lens, the edge of the drop, it is firstly adjusted, and this is because the following reasons. Number 1, this is giving the better contrast due to the difference in the refractive index of the drop and the cover slip. Number 2, this drop having the thin region at the edge, while at the center there is thick region. In the thin region, the less number of the bacteria are there, and therefore we can see clearly the motility of this bacteria. Another reason it is as at the edge of the drop there is more oxygen, it is there, and therefore the bacteria are rushing towards the edge of the drop to capture more oxygen for their respiration. Thank you for your listening.